100, 200 meters. Presently, I'm in Patiala for final preparation of Olympics Tokyo. Right, Olympics means everybody knows that it is a sport for elite athletes. Right, taking everybody along is a Olympic motto. But out of that, when I started recently, I realized everybody has got their own way to serve the society. But my slogan is serving the society through the sport. So that's what I have chosen the way. Then when it comes to the Olympic sport, because I still remember Nelson Mandela, he says sport has got a powerful tool to change the world, breaking the barriers of caste, region, religion, build the harmony in humankind. Because and it helps helping tendency. How I can express, I can share my experience, how the naturally helping tendency comes out when you're doing sport. Because I train T46 athlete because one a boy, he doesn't have a hand. So he can't tie the leg. So when he wanted to train with the spike, I saw another girl came and she was tying his laces. So that's how the natural, how you learn helping through the sport. Then when we say Olympics is a elite athlete sport, uh, for that, see most of the times in Olympics, I saw when I've been to Olympics, uh, everybody try for excellence, not beating others. That's what the great thing when I saw in Olympic level. So when you try for excellence, that's amazing, right? And next, I saw respecting each other because once the competition over, everybody shakes hands and respect everybody. Then about the friendship, because when they do warm up or anything, everybody will be wishing each other. But when competition starts, then only they compete like rivals. But soon after the competition over, again they will shake hands. And so that's what the values, the vision, everything comes in the Olympics. Then when coming to the community sports, because community sports means, I said Olympics is for elite athletes, but community sports, sport is sport for all. We are running a project called Enadu Lakshya Athletics Project. So there I tell my coaches, you keep two things. One is sports for all. This sports for all means right from maybe kids, maybe those who are doing for health sake, or somebody wants to control their BP, somebody wants to prevent sugar, right? So sports for all that, and sport for performance is different. So that's how I divided two things so that you can serve the society. Because I always say, if you are preventing somebody going to hospital, or you are able to control somebody BP through physical exercise, then you are great contribution to the society. That's what I say, because I closely watch Gopi Chand. So I for for his inner feelings, I'm telling. Many think that Puyala Gopi Chand, he will be very happy if his students are winning Olympic or world level medals. But it's not only that. He will be very, very happy when he becomes the reason for a child to play. Again, I'm repeating. He will be more happy when he becomes the reason for a child to play. So that's what. So मैं इंडिया में बोलते हैं, सर इंडिया आई वांट टू से पहले सभी को खेलने का मौका दो, because I want a give a opportunity for every child to play first. So that's what my intention towards community sports. Everybody, right? I have my because I one interview I said, what is your dream? I said, if it is evening, 6 to 60 years, 8 to 80 years, everybody should be on ground. Somebody is doing walking, somebody is doing running, somebody is playing volleyball. So that's what about the community sport I see. Then in community sports, another area comes uh, area, because in each area you have different beliefs, different interests, different needs, right? Because local cultural activities. For example, you can say Gujarat and all, you find Dandiya and all. And in some of the area, even Bombay, you see, they play Coco Kabaddi, right? So like that, even I can say the need of the area, because in Andaman Nicobar, there was no bus, local buses before the 10 years. So everybody used to, everybody has to go by cycle. So you can see 5, 7, 8 years back, in Indian team, most of the cyclists from Andaman Nicobar. So means need of the area also, because in northeast region, and so need and belief, right? Then culture, this all we have to make. In some places they play dandiya, all right? So that is the area of beliefs, area local cultural activities. Everything should come in community sports. Then come to the connection. See, for children, it is a different activity required. For adults, you need a different activity. Those who are working in the factories, there's a different activity required. So I will share my one experience. One auto in Gachibowli Stadium, one of the auto rickshaw driver he used to bring the kids for athletics training. So he used to drop them in the ground and he used to sit in the auto for 1 hour. Then once they training, they used to pick up. Then one day I told him, see, why you are wasting 1 hour? We will give you the shoes. As long as the children play, you go for walk. At least you can control your sugar and BP. And if sometimes you go auto to drop somebody and waiting, or simply in waiting in auto, you walk there and here. So he has, after 15, 20 days, he told, sir, I'm feeling very, very healthy. So that's how his requirement. Even Russia, after their job, everybody, they want everybody to play game, volleyball, anything, because whatever stress, whatever unwanted things happen during your office hours or factory. So while playing, come on, pause, come on, hit. So everybody will forget and they go home as a normal person. So what I mean to say is that even those who are working in agriculture, they sing songs and they do like rhythm. So each you have to connect to each age according to their profession, right? So if you keep on doing that, that is the way you can connect. And some of the people can maybe dance or anything. That's a connection you need, need based. So what is the need of that area and age, right? So it can be a better community sports. Then comes is a cost effect, because see, whichever sport you do for community level, it should have a less cost, because most of children or most of areas in India, they can't afford, right? Especially when in the lockdown in athletics, I said, okay, you may not have a hurdle, so that take 2 sticks and just tie a thread and do over it. It is a hurdle, right? You can have a 2 buckets, plastic buckets, and fill the water and have a stick and do half squats. So that is a weight training. Or you can make gilli danda, or we used to make when we were children, we used to take hockey sticks like out of wood and we used to play. And recently, some of one article I read, one IIT girl, she's making play equipment and play areas out of waste material, means tires. Equipment and lesser area sporting. That is what your community sport. Because in Germany, 80% population somehow or other they are involved in the sport. Either they may be playing volleyball or club level or street level or village level. Because I always feel the healthy population is a credit for the nation, and sick population is a debit for the nation. And here, why I'm telling the healthy population means because the great, somewhere else I read, great champions knows how to choose their parents. Because nowadays you can see that in diabetes, we are second in the world. And I think by 2025 or so, in obesity also, we are going to higher ranks. So if you want healthy and champion athletes to come in,
The parents has to be healthy, means society has to be healthy, then only you can find. Because here I wanted to share one of my experience. Once 38 years, I think, he's one company CEO. We were discussing about the health and sport. Then he said, Ramesh, I wanted to say that my parents have given healthy child to this society. I was healthy, but unfortunately, I developed diabetic. What type of child I'm going to give back to this society? It's a big question mark, right? You can see there's even girls at 12 years, 13 years, everybody has got a thyroid problem. You know that thyroid is a lifelong, they want them to use the tablet. So these are the community sports, right, to make everybody unite and healthy, right, cooperating each other, uh, helping each other. These are all community level sports. Always help them. So my experiences working as a coach or physical education teachers, it's not only making the champions, because our responsibility to contribute health and good citizens towards this society. For that, you have to go out of box thinking, out of box things doing. All right. I want, because literally, I really am I'm very happy with the physical literacy, because you should you make a child to express his own way. I mean, that definitely helps in your sport. Because I wanted to say, because in the children, we always tell some, okay, don't do this, don't do that, afraid. So today, Duti Chen in 100 meters, she became a world university gold medal in 100 meters first time. How you have to not to say fear. One example I would like to share here. Once there was a Living Legend Award ceremony in Bhubaneswar. So we were in Hyderabad training. So we are supposed to travel next day by flight. So before day, she came to me and said, I'll come by train, you go by flight. Then I said, why you want to waste so much of time in the train? She said, my uncle is coming, sir, I'll come by train. Okay, I said, okay. Then I went in flight, she came by train. So next day in airport, she came to receive me. So my daughter told, Dad, she has come from new BMW car. Then I asked, where is from this BMW? She laughed and she said, sir, yesterday I said lies. I went and buy the BMW car, and by road I came from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar. So in that cases, most of the normal coaches or teachers, what they say, hey, yaar, accident ho jata to kya hota? You must take care of car. And even if you buy a five-star chocolate, you think twice. Then I said, to how to use that in the children, I said, this work only Duti Chand can do, I told. So you are holding back the dareness, that courage. A girl who cannot afraid of her life, she cannot afraid of a start. In 100 meters, only one start. So that is the reason you see her start. It is an excellent start in the world. So what I mean to say, in the community sport or anything, you encourage, don't block, whatever they play, whatever they do, right? Let them express in their own ways. Unnecessarily, we are blocking, we are stopping them, right? So this is what about I would like to share my experiences in the community sport, because nowadays you can see the many barriers, maybe caste and region and religion. Sport only has got to bring all together, right? We go different countries and all, how they come together. Even in Olympics, we feel that that many days it's a mini world together. But when you're leaving, you might have seen so many people, they cry, because it's a rare opportunity to see all the world. And Olympic, there is a one good rule, because those who don't qualify for Olympics, they have a they give a chance for them to participate. So that is the way they want the Olympic movement to go on. So many countries, they can't qualify, so they also given a chance to come and participate, so that they can feel what is Olympics, and that is a good platform to see and express and share their feelings and all. So this is what my personal experiences in the community sports, and what we can do through the sport to the society. I think a lot more we can do. That's what my slogan: serving the society through the sports. right? If we keep this slogan, we can contribute from our side, because everybody has got their own ways. Somebody may be choosing bhakti way. Somebody may be, Mother Teresa might have chosen the way seva. So we can choose sport as a serving to the society, because we can build the careers, we can make the good citizens of for the society, and how to be a gratitude to the society, and how to content yourself with the facilities. Because in my area, when they win and come, I will ask them to show their medal to security man, and cook in the kitchen, and who cleans. So that's because it is not me alone, it's all your contribution made me. So that's how we can teach so many things through the sport. So sharing, right, caring, so many things come from a sport. So that's what, if these all qualities comes in the community, then that nation or a world will become a beautiful. And because and the humanity is very, very important in this in the life. Okay, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I am done with it.